This is me, the inhabitant in the metaverse. This is my first video created ever on the laptop. So I created this channel especially for investments in the metaverse with NFTs. I will talk about NFTs and I will talk about also good investments in crypto. But today I will talk about how I get scammed or hacked on the Magic Eden marketplace on Solana. So it's still an unpleasant experience, but I want to talk about it and help as many people as possible. It's not a rule. Yes, there are many platforms like Magic Eden, like OpenSea, and there are many hackers, and they are very greedy. So they will try and steal as much as possible, and they can do this only with our help. Let's try here and type Magic Eden, and I will tell you all my story. Magic Eden, and hit enter. The problem it was that in the same day earlier I had a fight with my family, and all these things accumulated, and 2 hours later I wanted to see if the NFTs, my NFTs, have raised in price or dropped. First site here for searching Magic Eden, it was a scam or something. They were saying like Magic Eden was hacked, please take out your NFTs and leave, something like this. And I didn't knew, to be honest, I didn't knew what's coming after the dot. This is the real one, magiceden.io. After entering here, I will show you how it looks, the real platform, and you need only to connect with a wallet. Yes, it's not a site, it's a platform. You can do it with 4 other type of wallets, but the thing is this. Yes, you need to press here connect wallet. They will ask you which type of wallet you have. I say Phantom, and it was this here. It will appear here. You need to complete your password and you're good to go. If they ask you about the password, it's okay, it's everything okay, but bear in mind, memorize this, magiceden.io. I didn't make this, so I paid for this. This was a big mistake for me. I lost some money. It was like 500 euro. This is the second, magiceden.com. If you enter, it's not working. It's okay, these are good news for us. The third one, magiceden.info. Pay attention to this one because here I got scammed. So I hope you will understand something from this. Now you think like I was thinking it's the real one because there are no differences here. I see only siblings here. Yes, it's like a mirror. I'm looking at a mirror right now. So basically I want to enter. You have here many options for Solana wallets. So basically I have Phantom. I will enter on my wallet. But this is the most important part of this video. They will ask you about your secret phrase that contains 12 words in my wallet. If you enter this one and hit connect, you will get scammed instantly. They drain my wallet in 1 hour, even less than this. So I will write here something. Pay attention here, magiceden.info. Yes, this I enter something here, is not relevant, and I will hit connect. Look here and see how fast it's changing. Yes, now it's charging, and now they automatically put me on the right site. Yes, so I was thinking I was on the same time on this site, but it wasn't. So they got me hacked like this. It is very, very unpleasant. I hope you will not fall into the same trap. Yes. And the second one, it would be, this is the most obvious. They can do this as well. Pay attention to the collections that you are trying to pay to enter. Yes, in the minting phases. Like you see, let's say you see a nice, very nice collection, and the team, it's promising everything is nice, everything is good, but after you pay or minted, it's the same thing, your NFT, there are many possibilities to happen. One, they are legit, everything is good. This is the best possibility ever, the best scenario. Second one, they can enter in your wallet. Yes, I heard that it's possible, and they can drain out your NFTs. They can took everything from your NFTs through this minting phase. So pay attention. And the third one, and this is the most utilized. Yes, they do nothing, and they promise you they will do this, and this, and they do nothing. After the mint phase it's over, they are happy, and they close everything on the social media. So basically they will close their Discord, their Twitter, and the website. I don't know if they have a website. Yes, these two are the biggest methods to lose money in the NFT space right now. I documented myself. I'm prepared now. I enter only on doxed teams, on doxed projects. So everything is good. Everything was good for me until this incident happened. So yes, I hope you will learn something from this. And this will happen 100%, not only on Magic Eden, but on every major platform. They will hack it, not hack it. Yes, by the way, OpenSea was hacked. They will find solutions to clone the sites. It's very simple, and everyone can do this these days. You can enter here, clone sites. You can type here and you can clone a site for like something between $50 and $200. But you can pay $200 and receive maybe even $50,000. Yes, this is passive income for you if you are not smart. Yes, in a way you are smart, but you are terrible on inside. How can you do this? If you want to win money, you can do this on the normal way, on the right way. But there are people who are doing this on the bad way. I'm not here to judge. I'm here to show you how were things for me, and I hope now everything is good. I will try and see how are the things for me from now on, because I have not so many Solana left, and let's see what will happen. I will keep you updated every day, because I want to get involved as soon as possible in this space. I wish you a good day, guys, and if you liked this kind of content, please support me with one like, and most important, one subscribe.